Well, hello. Welcome to Los Alamos Airport ramp. We're about to do a takeoff to the east. Since the runway at Los Alamos slopes from west down toward east, all takeoffs are out to the east toward the mountains. All landings are the west on runway 27. So we'll be back taxiing here. First of all, let's listen to ATIS.
Los Alamos Airport. Automated weather observation. 1724 Zulu. Weather. Wind 070 at 6. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point 6. Altimeter 3027. Remark. Density altitude 9,200. Los Alamos traffic. All takeoffs are to the east. All landings are to the west.
And now that we have ATIS, let's make the normal call that we're going to back taxi back to the end of runway 9 and then take off to the east. Los Alamos traffic, Taylorcraft 34237 is back taxiing runway 9er for takeoff. And as we reach the end of the runway, we'll make one last check for traffic and then give a radio call that we're rolling for takeoff. Be very careful, that road just to the south of the airport is the limits of the restricted area over Los Alamos National Laboratory. Whatever you do, turn to the left, not to the right. We'll be outbound for about 3 miles to a road intersection called the Y. But now let's do our radio call. Los Alamos traffic, Taylorcraft 34237 is rolling for takeoff on 9er with a straight-out departure to the east. Normally the straight-out departure isn't used because that conflicts with incoming traffic, but I think we're okay today. If you have an engine problem at this point, your best bet is to slip over to the left because there's a 400-foot deep canyon over on the side of the airport. And be careful not to go to the right because the roadway off to our right is the limits of the restricted area. These buildings off the end of the runway are known as East Gate. That'll be important when we're coming in because a short final radio call typically calls inbound over East Gate. Just to our right, you can see the road curve ahead and down off the mesa to a little junction of roads from White Rock and down into the valley known as the Y. That's a very common reporting point that everyone around the airport knows, and so we'll be making a call both outbound and we're coming back in on inbound at the Y. You get a fairly clear view of the Y at this point, right down below our nose. And once we are over the Y, you make a normal position report. Los Alamos traffic, Taylorcraft 34237 is outbound at the Y, 8,100 feet. We'll be doing a straight-out departure to the east. Standard departures are either to turn 45 degrees to the right along the road and head for the town of White Rock if you're going south or southeast, or turning about 30 degrees to the left and following the road out toward Little Black Mesa on Ottaway Bridge. And that's basically the departure from Los Alamos. Hope you all enjoyed.